How much have you made from course money? Let's start off with the hard question.
When I started trading, I also became broke.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I remember I had like two jeans and maybe five t-shirts on day when I took that 1k 200k. Because a lot of people, they know where the market is going, but they can't go with the market.
Why is that?
It's because people, they tend to focus on more on teaching people how to analyze.
What's up, guys? It's Nqobile Tembane from Top Trader South Africa. Welcome to another episode of Market Masters, where I sit down with the most prominent and talented traders in the industry. And a big shout out to Octa for bringing us out here to Durban for this Durban tour. And I am sitting down with a talented trader today. I'm sitting down with Jack Nxumalo.
Yes, Jack
Nxumalo, Jackster.
Jackster FX, you know how it is.
How are you doing?
I'm okay, and you?
Nah, I'm good. I am so excited for today's conversation. I think your story is one for the books. It's
For
one
sure.
for the books, but I think a lot of people will find it. I'm fascinated, and I think I want to break down a lot of things that have happened along the way. Just to pinpoint key areas key moments in your build up. Yeah, no, but what's happening?
Yeah, everything is nah, bro. You can't complain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you actually, we'll start off with this. You're actually quite fascinating. You have actually made, how much have you made from course money? Let's start off with the hard question.
When it's come to causes, bro, it's 1.2 something.
1.2 something.
Yeah.
And you say that with your chest.
Yeah,
man.
yeah, bro.
Why though? Because a lot of guys never want people to know that I made this much money.
It's the end of the day. I am the one who's working, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if I'm providing the service, if that service is feeding me, why should I not be proud of it? Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, 1.2 million rand from course sales.
From
course
courses
sales, not
only.
from the market.
Not from the market. From courses only, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's actually quite fascinating, as we were just talking here with all the gents and all that, and you were saying that how you actually got to that point, because I think everyone would like to know, hey man, Jackster, you're sitting there. How did you do it? 1.2 meter. People are doing the maths now. How much is your one-on-one?
2.5.
2.5.
Yeah, 2.5.
Now you guys do the maths now. We need a calculator up here to find out.
2.5 because
Trading without fees. Now that's possible with Octa. Octa has no commissions on deposits and withdrawals, no swaps or fees. Get your gains in full and earn more in the long run. Trade with spreads from 0.2 pips on majors, metals and indices and more with Octa. Execute orders always at market price and withdraw money on time when you need it. Conditions can't get any better with Octa. See for yourself. Use the promo code TOPTRADER and get a 100% deposit bonus. Trading made clear with Octa.
I've seen when it's come to, because I started by creating my own course before I started teaching people how to trade. Because I started teaching myself and my brothers, when we were starting out of trading. So when I saw that if I teach someone this thing, they understand. So that means I can also teach someone, But I had to put a price, because it's the end of the day. You have to make money from what you are doing, And I'm good at it. Yeah, I'm very good when it's come to teaching.
Yeah, but I think a lot of people. So you're teaching, but you also trade as well.
Yes.
So did you find yourself when did the trading turn into teaching? When did you I don't know if you get my question, but I think you do.
Because when it's come to being a mentor, it's more like are people making you a mentor? People coming to you, asking you to teach them how to trade. Because it's your time. Obviously, you have to charge them for teaching them how to trade. So it's more like everyone was coming to me and say, can you please teach me how to trade? But for me, it was more like me and my brothers, because I taught my brothers how to trade and they're doing well. And I was like, that means I can also teach others. That's why I went on the net.
Yeah.
Then after it, everything was smoothly.
Yeah, so you were just like, okay, you've taught your brothers, they're doing well, so
Yeah.
other people are inquiring, so you can teach them as well.
Yes, and they're quite doing well also.
Yeah.
Because when it's come to me, I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's gonna take time. I'm not gonna say because people they tend to ask how long it's gonna take for me to become profitable.
Yeah,
They're
that's
always
true.
like worried about that. But me, I always it's gonna take time. Because I don't know how long it's gonna take you to be profitable. But even when it's come to teaching, because I can teach you something that you are supposed to know today, but it can take you 2 weeks. Like maybe teaching what is a candlestick today, it can take you 2 weeks or 1 month, because we don't understand the same way. We don't learn the same way. Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you got all these clients via TikTok.
TikTok, bro. TikTok is amazing thing now.
Yeah, so you just decided to post a video and then clients came through.
It's because I made that video because I was holding 100K, and I made that video. I was in Umhlanga by my friend's place, so I posted video. It went viral because it took me from like 0 followers to almost like 10K in a day, and they even blocked my account. Because they thought maybe I'm a robot. They just blocked my accounts. The way like the video was moving. Yeah, bro, it was crazy. It was crazy.
So based off of that, people were like, now teach us.
Yeah. They just came. But most people, they thought I was using a robot.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you use a robot? Can you please send me your robot? I was like, nah. I only teach people how to trade. They're more like poor price action. I only teach people how to trade. And they're going to ask for prices, and it's 2.5. And they kept on coming. And like they kept on coming, and I was like, yeah. And I was more like, I also wanted to push the mentor side. Because me, I'm more like, I don't go outside. I don't do parties. Even on weekends, I'm always inside.
Yeah, relaxing.
Relaxing, bro. Always on the charts, trying to improve my causes. Yeah, that's what I'm all about.
Sure. All right, now let's take it back a little bit, because I know there's some really interesting stories we're gonna get into now.
For sure.
You are Jack Nxumalo. How old are you?
21.
21?
Yes.
Gee.
21, turning 22
Oh, yeah?
this year on the voting day.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to be wasting any cash.
So you're just going to go do the Lord's work and vote. Are you voting?
Nope.
You're not voting?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a you conversation. Let's not get into that.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back to when you started, when you heard about Forex, because like you're very young, eh?
Yeah. So for me, Forex been following me.
Yeah.
Because we also have a big brother who was also more interested in Forex 2008, 2010. They were doing Bitcoin and NASDAQ by that time, but in terms of investing, not in terms of trading. So he's the one who also have a Forex background. And there's a friend of mine, actually my brother's friend, 2020, late December, I think this was December or November. So this guy, he came to visit my brother. And when he came, so he told my brother about Forex. So he was more like explaining Luno, but he even showed us what you call this, the M formation and the W formation. So it's more like like teaching us Luno and Forex at the same time.
Uh-huh.
So after that, I wasn't interested, but I was like, what is this thing? Like, what is this thing? So after that, there's that guy, his small brother, he also introduced me into Forex.
Oh, yeah?
Like, he also introduced me to Forex, but he was showing me plus 500. Download that app. Same day I deleted that app. I was like,
Why?
this. The problem I think is the way they display things.
Oh, yeah. I've seen the platform.
Yeah,
It's
the
actually,
platform is not friendly.
yeah, not at all.
Yeah, and when 2021, that's when everything started.
Okay.
Cause
Are you still in high school at this point?
Yeah.
Or are you done with high school?
no, I was done with high school.
Okay.
I was actually finishing my my degree.
2021.
Yes,
You're 22 this year.
yes,
Alright, check.
yeah,
2021, that's 3 years back. You're finishing your degree.
yes. 2021,
Yeah, what degree were you doing?
computer science engineering.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
The software things.
Okay.
UKZN Westville.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when did you finish school?
2020 was 2020. Because by that time I was 17.
Oh, you finished at 17?
Yeah, I was
Okay.
17. Yeah, I was
Okay,
17.
then 18, 19.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then 2021 I finished my degree.
Yeah.
So 2021 when this guy came, so I was also like more interested in terms of getting the cash in order for me to go to my graduation. And this guy came, he was driving Ubers. Shout out to Killer. So he was driving Ubers. So this guy came. We spoke on that day, maybe almost like 4 hours. Then he went. Then he came back after 5 minutes, you know. Then he came back after 5 minutes. I was like, hey, there's this thing called Forex. I was like, why everyone is introducing me this thing to Forex? There's something called Forex. I was like, okay. And he showed me MetaTrade. You know, when it's come to MetaTrade, you're gonna be like, yeah, this is the thing. Yeah, and from that day, I became a full-time trader. From that day.
But that time you were... So what happened to the graduation? Because you said you
I
were...
didn't go to my graduation.
What did you do with the money?
No,
Because you said you were trying to get money for
I was trying to get money. I didn't get any job.
Okay.
Yes, I didn't get any job. That means I wasn't gonna be able to go to my graduation.
Okay, I see.
Because you know the guys, they're gonna dress nice.
Yeah.
You have to look nice.
Pressure.
Yeah, you have to go and hire for a car. You can't be going to a graduation.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was like that. So from that day, became a full-time trader. From that day, I never looked back.
So you didn't even go look for a job?
Nothing.
You were just like, this Forex thing is for you.
Full-time.
So what did you do? Okay, so since that day, obviously you need to learn at some point. How did you learn? Where did you get information?
Guys, when it's come to YouTube, there's a lot of information in YouTube. Yeah. The only problem with YouTube, you're still gonna learn things that you're not gonna need.
Okay.
You know. So I learned a lot. SMC, ICT, poor price action. Then you're gonna figure out which one is working for you. Yeah. So it's hard when you're gonna become a self-taught trader. It's very hard because you're gonna learn things that you don't need, and it's a lot. Because you also have to go and search what is MetaTrade. You see, it's hard because it's not like I wanted to become a self-taught trader. I wanted to get a mentor, but how can I get a mentor when I can't afford to find my account? So it was really hard. So I had to go to the library, download videos, 20 videos, go and look for information on those 20 videos. It was like that. Yeah, but it was hard.
Okay.
It was really hard. I'm not gonna lie.
It
was really hard.
Yeah, so you go to the library, you downloading the videos, you get home,
watching all the videos. Even because our bigger brother, shout out to Stay, for providing us with Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he he actually told us, because it was like 4 of us, me, Nati, Christine, and him. So he told us, don't worry about Wi-Fi, guys. I'm just gonna buy Wi-Fi. You need to focus on figure out this thing. And for me it was crazy.
Yeah.
For me it was crazy, because I think it also comes with the course that I did in varsity, because it's computers, guys.
Yeah.
So it was easy for me to figure out things.
Yeah,
It was easy for me to figure out things. So that's why everything like came to place. Yeah.
Okay. Nah, that's cool. Okay, now you guys are figuring this Forex thing out. Let's keep going. What happens?
When it's come to funding, because we can't rely on our brother to fund us.
Okay.
We can't be asking for cash from him to fund us.
Yeah.
So we had to do some things. Say, my old lady, let me go to store for you. About tole little R100, you go deposit and fund. So for me, it was more like funding R100 when I get money. Because when I started trading, I also became broke.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because I remember I had like two jeans and maybe five t-shirts only.
Yeah.
For like 2 years.
Gee.
For 2 years. Because each and every cash that I'm getting, I have to deposit. I'm gonna make it more. Okay, I'm just gonna get maybe I'm gonna get a cash for jean.
Yeah.
No, let me just deposit. Maybe I'm gonna buy 4 of them. It was all about that. I think the fascinating came from that.
Yeah.
It was more like let me double it.
But at the same time, that's not happening.
No, it's not happening, bro. And I think I had to give up a long time ago. But there's, when you coming on struggling, not a good situation at home, and everyone is focusing to get a job, and you see the situation is very hard. You need something hard that is gonna make a lot of money in order for you to change the situation at home.
Yeah.
So it was more like that. So I was like, if it's gonna take me 5 years, why not? Yeah, I was like that. So if it's gonna take me 5 years, why not?
So what's your everyday life? What does your everyday life look like now? Because you're not working, you're chasing this Forex thing. Whenever you get any little money you get, you're funding. But and right now, what methods of funding are you using? Are you going to the bank, depositing, or how?
Yeah, I was going to the bank or ask someone who.
Okay.
Yeah, ask someone to send cash to my account. Then I'm gonna give them the cash.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Then I will fund, because even for funding brokers, understanding how brokers works, you have to find that thing on your own. That was very hard. But when you're gonna be on the internet, you're gonna understand everything.
Yeah, that's true.
Shout out to Kay for teaching me that thing.
Yeah.
Because whatever that you need is on YouTube.
Yeah, no, YouTube has become...
YouTube is great.
Anything you need right
you're
now.
You're going to find it there. Yeah, it's awesome.
There's literally almost a video about everything, even the smallest of things.
Everything, bro, when it comes to YouTube.
Yeah, so, that's cool. So, okay, so what's going on in your life for that 2 years right now? Because all you're doing is you're just funding. You're funding.
Yeah, so when it's come to like what is going on, we had this thing of the hype. I'm always hype when it's come to Forex. When you speak about Forex, I'm just gonna be there, bro. We're gonna talk the whole day. It was like that, because every time if you feel like you wanna give up, you're gonna go to Instagram. Blue screens.
Every day.
Blue screens.
All day.
People are leaving, bro. And you're going to be like, one day, it was more like this. Like, one day I'm going to be like these guys. Yeah. So for me, it was like that. So, but when it's come to the way I was living, I cut everything. Okay. Friends, I wasn't going out. I was always at home. Always at home. 24/7. I only go out when they send me to a shop. Yeah, only.
And then you at home, you focused on
Focus on the chart.
yeah.
I have a lot of books.
Yeah.
Lot of books, me learning how to trade. There's
So
a
you're
lot.
just writing everything
Write
down.
everything down. Figure out everything down. Because even if I don't have cash to fund, I also have to trade demo. I have to figure out in demo account, Luckily, I don't know, when I was like maybe 2 to 3 months in trading, I saw a video of this guy. He was explaining that don't use a demo account, the one for 100,000. Maybe if you're gonna find 1,000, use a demo account for 1,000.
Yes.
Yes, it's really, really working. It's really good. Because if you're gonna use $100,000, you're not gonna find $100,000, and you're also using bigger lot size. So when you are trading a real account, now it's glitching. So I think that video also helped me a lot.
Yeah, so you would just have demo accounts of the money you could afford to trade and then just practice with that.
Yeah, practice. When I get cash, I fund, maybe trade data accounts for 2 months, because I wasn't withdrawing.
Okay.
It took me a lot of months in order for me to withdraw, because I've made cash, but I want to make it bigger. It was more like that. Let's say if I'm gonna find 100 trend, then I'm gonna take 100 trend to maybe 1,000 for a whole month. Then I'm next month maybe 2K or 3K. Then the following month maybe 5 to 10K. So it was more like that. But end of the story, I always blew that account. So it's more like that.
Yeah, but it's like, you there's like, it feels like there was an element of greed. If I can call it that, because you're making money, because you're aware, you were able to take 100 rand to 1,000 in a month.
Yes.
That's 1,000%.
That's a lot.
I think it's 1,000%.
Yeah. But
that is more than what a lot of institutions are offering.
Yes, even I think also when it's come to hope is also killing us as traders.
Yeah.
Like hoping to take that 1K to 1 million or something. It's always like, let me double it. Let me double it. Maybe I'm gonna make more.
Yeah.
Instead of me like taking out that 1K and go do something. Because for me, I also think sometimes trading alone is not nice, but it's also nice at the same time, because I was more like focused on trading. Everything was about trading. So even if I make money on the chart, it's more like I want to grow that cash instead of withdrawing or do something, So yeah, I was more like that. I think when I started withdrawing cash and buying the equipment in order for me to trade in a corrective way, that's when everything's changed.
So how much was the first withdrawal?
100 Rand.
Your first withdrawal?
My first withdrawal was 100 Rand.
What's the story behind that?
For that 100 Rand, I had to go somewhere. So I needed cash. I can't go and ask for cash to someone.
Yeah.
I needed cash, so I had to withdraw that 100 Rand.
Yeah.
Yeah, then I had to go somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And then your second,
Then after that, I remember the day when I found out about fundamentals. I took 1K to 2K. So I doubled that account. But on that day, when I doubled that account, I had to withdraw my 1K. Yeah, so after that, I was more like withdrawing that 500, 200, 1K, 300, but not like big amounts. Yeah, I was more like that. So I also saw in terms of like, if I want to go far, I have to grow my bank account and also leverage my trading account. So I started like, let's say if I make 1,000, then I'm going to withdraw 500 and leave 500 to my trading account. So it was more like that. Take 50% profit to my bank account, then leave the 50% profit to my trading account. Yeah. So that's when I started growing now, having a bigger account, trading lot size, bigger lot size. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so now that's just your way of trading now. You You make profit half.
Yeah.
So what happens when? Okay, so what's your style of trading at this point? Like, how are you aggressive?
No, I
At
wasn't.
this, are you flipping accounts at this point, or what's happening?
For me, it was more like, I was more like flipping an account, because I remember the time when I used to find 500. When I find 500, so that day I'm gonna make 2,000. Yes, 2K. When I find 500, I'm gonna make 2K.
Full margin?
No,
Not full
not
margin.
full margin, but it was more like, because when it's come to NASDAQ, because I was trading NASDAQ and USD at that time, because 0.01 you can make 2K on NASDAQ, but you can also blow that account. That's when I also generated my style of entry point. I was good at entry points.
Oh yeah.
Very, very much.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because when I started trading, for me, trading was more like NASDAQ or USD. So at that time, they were hot. Everyone was speaking about NASDAQ, USD, so, and gold. Currencies, they were less on that time. So I knew a lot about NASDAQ and USD. So trading them, for me, it's easy. Yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah, so you're just coming through with the sniper entries.
Sniper entry.
Okay, how did you get to a point of like just being able to produce those sniper entries?
Bro, you gotta be on the chart. No,
Oh, yeah?
you gotta be on the charts, because in order for you to understand like how does the market move, we have to see the market moving. Because it's easy to trade when the market is closed, but it's hard to trade when the market is moving. Because same thing as backtesting. I'm not saying backtesting doesn't work, but for me it doesn't work. Because when the market is not moving, I feel like I'm not doing enough. Because I already know where the market is going.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the mindset. So for me, forward testing all the way. All the time, forward testing. So when it comes to sniper entries, NASDAQ and USD, they have similar type of moving, but you have to understand there's something happening on 4H time frames.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Stop, guys. Stop, guys, to stay on 1 minute time frame. Yeah. 4 hour time frame.
It's where it's at.
It's at, bro.
Yeah, but I think because NASDAQ and USDT, they move so quickly.
Yeah.
People tend to ignore the bigger time frames because they understand is that hey, this thing moves fast, so I must look at the smaller time frame where it's moving.
Same thing as like, let's say you are providing signals. You can't be giving people signals that you caught from 1 minute time frame. Yeah. It's not gonna last.
In and out. Yeah, so now you said for 2 years things were hard. It was a struggle.
Yeah.
And now what changes?
What changes is when so as my years of trying to figure out this thing, so as soon as I make profit, you have to buy equipment, guys.
Oh yeah.
You have to buy equipment because you are trading with the phone. Obviously, you're not gonna understand so much. So which means you have to get a laptop. After a laptop, you have to get a screen. So for me, that things really change everything.
Yeah. So what did you get first?
I bought a table first.
A table.
Yes, it was 1.5.
Yeah.
Yes, I bought a table first. Then after the table was my screen. Then after that it was a laptop because I was using my brother's laptop at that time. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah. Now I get it. And then
after that everything was like, because for me, I think the reason why I didn't like lose a lot of money when it's come to trading, because when I make profits, I have to make sure I'm buying something for my trading office.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
So I have to make sure I'm buying something for my trading office.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's true. So now you are at a place right now where you've bought equipment. Do you think that improved your quality of trading?
A lot, because you're gonna change how you see things. You're gonna have a bigger picture when it's come to the chart. Because when you're trading with your phone, maybe there's a support there in 99, and you can't see that support, and it's gonna affect your trading. But yeah, when trading office is the biggest. biggest thing that you must have as a trader.
Okay.
Yeah, that's quiet place, be on your zone. It's a lot.
Yeah, not trading while you...
Trading while you are moving,
You don't believe in that?
nah.
Yeah. Okay, so now that's when things change, where you started buying equipment, and then your quality of trading increases, it goes up. And then what happens then? Let's keep it moving from there.
So after that, I started seeing cash coming in now, in terms of like finding 500, take that 500 to 1K, 2K, then withdraw. So it was more like that. So I started like trading NASDAQ and USD more than currencies. I'm not saying currencies, I wasn't trading. I was trading currencies as a lot of cash.
Yeah.
The only thing you have to do, you have to increase the lot size.
Yeah, that is true.
You have to increase the lot size. Because for me, it was more like, because you can't be finding opportunities every day on the chart. So when it's come to like NASDAQ and USD, I was always waiting for that point in order for me to catch those 100 pips. So each and every day I was looking for 100 pips. So each and every time when I'm making cash, you have to save cash. So because for me, it was more like I want to trade a bigger account.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to increase my account to a bigger account. So it was more like that until on that day when I took that 1K, 200K.
Yeah, let's talk about that.
Hey.
Let's talk about that. You go and take 1K and you put it to 200K.
But for the first time to take 1K to 10K.
What are you trading at this point?
NASDAQ.
What day is it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday?
No, I don't trade Monday.
Okay, so it was a Tuesday.
Yeah, it was from Tuesday to Friday. I only trade from Tuesday to Friday.
Okay.
So from that day, it was Tuesday. So I was trading like New York session.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah. I was trading New York session. So I funded 1K. So I funded this 1K. Took this 1K on the same day. I think there was news at that time. I don't know. But I took that 1K to 10K. Because I wasn't full margin, but it's moved. It's moved.
Yeah.
It's moved a lot. So I made 10K. I was supposed to withdraw that 10K because it's my first time making that 10K.
So you've never seen 10K before?
Never
seen 10K, and you've seen 10K there.
No.
It's there for you to withdraw, and you decide that you're not withdrawing.
And for me, it was more like 10K. Maybe now I'm going to meet her. I will do 10K. I'm gonna make $1 million now.
Yeah.
So it was more like that, but I took that 10K to 60K. The one printed on my shirt.
Yeah, but although you haven't printed, we'll take a picture and put that on the screen. You guys see the picture there. But the thing is, my question is, okay, so on Tuesday, you take 1K to 10K.
Yeah. So
and then what happens overnight? Do you close the trade?
No, I close my trade. Yes,
you go to sleep.
Yeah. I don't. Me for when it's come to NASDAQ, I don't hold trade. Yeah, I'm a day trader when it's come to NASDAQ.
Okay.
Only the currencies I can hold.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, from 1K to 10K, close the trade.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, you can't even sleep. You have to, you have to go to your empty phone and like look if the 10K is still there or not. And like I stay. Then I had to take it to my dashboard because when the money is on your MetaTrader,
problems.
It's problems, right? Problems. I was like, I'm just gonna take it that side. Then tomorrow after 5 o'clock. When it's New York session, then I'm still gonna trade again. That's when I started increasing my lot size.
Okay.
Now I'm going 0.5. When you open
0.5 on what?
0.05. I mean.
0.05.
Yes,
okay.
Yeah, on NASDAQ.
Okay.
So now I'm going hard. So I'm going hard. When you open the trade, you see 1K negative or 2K negative, and from there I think I made. Was Tuesday or Wednesday where I made like 60K.
Yeah.
Still, I don't want to withdraw the 60K. I want to make 1 million.
But you have never seen this money before.
Never seen that money. Like something was telling me, relax. Relax. just trade the way you're trading. Something is gonna happen, you know. So it was more like that. So when I reached 100K, that's when I was like, nah.
So when did you reach 100K?
Friday.
On the Friday.
On the Friday.
Yeah.
Friday afternoon, reach 100K. I was like, yo.
So you're seeing six figures there. Someone's annual salary.
Yo, in a week. So I was like that. I was like, okay. So for me, I'm always like, I mustn't have 10K in order for me to have 10K plans, you know.
Okay.
I'm gonna start having plans for 10K before I have 10K. So I already have plans, you know, in terms of like improving everything that I need in order for me to trade in the right way. Because for me it was more like I need to trade in the right way.
Yeah.
You know, I need to get bigger things in order for me to trade in the right way.
So at this point, do you feel like you were trading in the right way?
Yeah, when it's come to the trading style, it was more like that. But when it's come to the environment, in terms of like, you know, at gossip, bro, you're gonna be trading, they fighting outside. Jay, when I saw Alan, you see those things, and you're holding a trade, you got disturbed. So it was more like, you see, now I have to move. From that 100K, I was like, I need to move. Because you can't have that kind of cash where we come from. You know Cassie's, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, that's true. So now we're on 100K. What happens? Now it's Friday. You've got 100K. What's the next move?
So when it's come to, I have to withdraw the 100K. So I withdraw the 100K. So it's Friday. Obviously, you have to wait for Monday. Sometimes, because the cash only click on Tuesday. It didn't come on Monday.
So over the weekend, what was your weekend like?
Hey, bro, I was overhyped. But I was trying to chill.
Yeah.
I was overhyped, but I was trying to chill, you know. Not telling anyone.
Yeah.
I was like, not telling anyone. I want to see it on my bank account first before I tell anyone. I was like, okay, let me relax. Then after that, when the money came in, my brother Gliston is always right behind me. Yeah. He's seen a lot of things. He's seen me blowing an account, making cash. Yeah. So when the 100K hit, I was like, bruh, let's go to town. Let's go to town. We went to town because we went to the bank, and when we went to the bank, they told us like we won't get that kind of money. They don't keep cash. I was like, guys, it's the bank. They don't keep 100K. How come? And they told us you can only withdraw like 10K a day. I was like, all right. I was withdrawing 10K each and every day.
So you wanted cash?
Cash, bro.
Why was it so important for you to have it cash?
I had to see it, bro.
But you can see it in your bank.
Nah, bank account. Yeah. You have to feel it.
Yeah.
You have to feel it in order for you to see. Yeah, I worked this hard. You know, I wanted to have that feeling, you know, to see it like, let me hold the 100K. And being the first one to hold the 100K in your family, it's very hard. And everyone was happy at that time because I brought it home. I was like, guys, here's 100K. And my grade was like, yo. You can't have this kind of money in this township, you know. Yeah, I was like, because in that time for me it was more like I need to hold it. You know, I need to hold it and feel it. Yeah. That's everything. That time everything changed. Everything changed.
Okay, now you've got 100K. What do we do with the 100K at this point right now? Because I know right now a lot of people see 100K for the first time and it's like, yo, go crazy.
Yeah, for me it was more like because I didn't go and hype, like go do things, buy clothes. Nah, for me it was like chill. How can I make this 100K times 2? You know, beside trading now. So I was more like, let me do something at the other side in order for me to make cash. So it was more like that. So I had this small business at a township. Yeah, that I make good amount of cash. That's when everything started, because I'm also making cash on that side and also making cash on trading. So now I'm free. I don't need to be worried in order for me to get money to fund. Yeah, that's also change your mind.
Yeah, that's
Because
true.
if you're gonna be worried about getting money to fund, and also be worried to also make money, because when you fund, you wanna make money, you don't wanna lose money. Yeah, so I think side hustle is also another thing you have to consider.
So how are you trading at this point? Is the amounts that you're trading, have they gone up now?
Yeah, because not like in terms of they gone up, but I started switching to a dollar account, because now I started to switch into a dollar account. I wanna make $300 a day to lose $100 a day. So it was more like that account. It's my bigger account where I risk 1% for the 2%. You know, so if I risk $100, I want to get $300 or more. So it was more like that. So everything started changing in terms of like having a lot of accounts, because having one account is also stressful, because sometimes you're going to hit your stop loss and the market is going to your direction and you're going to be like, let me go again, you know. Yeah, so I started having another account where I risk a lot. Yeah, I think that's also changed a lot for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. So now there was a risk, though, risk and a half to not withdraw the 10K though.
A lot, bro.
Would you recommend that to the next person?
Nope.
Why not? But look, it worked out for you.
Guys, sometimes, hey guys, but don't do it, guys.
Yeah.
If you see that 10K for the first time, make sure you withdraw it. Because you're going to cry. And you're going to cry.
Yeah.
You're going to cry.
Yeah. Let's go back to the 1.2 million now.
Yeah.
How do we get to that part now? Because right now, at this point, you've seen 100K. I want walk us through how we got from the 100K all the way to now you're making 1.2 M.
So when it's come to my classes, I told myself, you know what? Since I'm profitable now, let me go on the net, you know. But for me, it wasn't more like, let me go to the net and teach people how to trade. It was more like, let me go on the net and give people tips. So, because it was more like I'm tipping people to, in order for you to understand this, you have to do this and this. You have to follow this in order for you to understand that. So it was more like that. So the video that I posted, I was holding 100K cash before we went to...
Is it that same 100K? Or is it a different 100K?
No,
now?
it's the different one now.
Okay.
So it's after some time now. It's after some time, because when I withdrew that 100K again, it's when I wanted to go and buy my iPhone, a new laptop, and the PC at iStore. That's when I spent all that 100K in 5 minutes.
But worth the investment.
Yeah, it's worth the investment, because for me, it's more like you have to invest in yourself in order for you to become a better trader.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I'm more like that. You know, I'm more like that. So I also posted a video, and the video went viral on that day. It was Friday. I was like, okay, people are not working at this time. Maybe they're chatting on their phone. Let me just post this video and see what happens. It went viral. And my WhatsApp on that day, a lot of messages were coming out. You know, people, I want to join your class. I like the way. Because I also had another videos that I had, like the tips before that video. Because people like, I like the way you explain this trading thing. I like to be a student. I was like, okay, it's fine. This is what I offer. This is the cost of what I'm offering. And people was like, okay, it's fine. Because after that day, I think I had like maybe like 20 to 30 students on a week. On that week, I had like 20 to 30 students on that week. And everyone wanted to be part of this course, because as much as I'm getting students now, I was like, okay, let me try and also make a lot of videos, because now there's better quality. Let me
The levels have gone up now.
let me just give them tips,
Yeah.
I started giving people tips. That's when people would come to like get a course from me.
No, but let's actually talk about that. No, because there's actually something very special that, I'll call it special or unique rather, that you're doing with your course. You're not doing it in English.
Yes,
Venek.
Yeah.
Particularly Zulu.
It's Zulu.
Yeah, it's Zulu. Yeah, and I think that's quite. So you're catering right now for Zulu people.
Yeah, but when it's come to me, I also have people who don't understand Zulu on the other side. So
Okay.
it's more like I have two groups. So there's a group for people who understand more Zulu, then there's people who understand English more better.
Oh yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
But for me, when it's come to TikTok, because I'm also amazed. Like the one who speak English coming to me wanted the course, but I'm also doing videos for Vanek.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was amazed. I was like, wow.
Yeah.
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 So for me, it was more like I always wanted someone to explain something for me when it's come to trading in my own language, so I can understand it. You know, because I feel like a lot of Zulu people want to trade also, but they can't figure out what's actually happening. You know, it was more like that. So let me just go Vanek and see what it is.
And you found your niche.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm too big on that.
I love that.
Yeah, I'm too big on that.
But that is extremely smart, and it's so important. And I think, we live in South Africa. I mean, 12 official languages right here. And I think, catering for so many people. And we tend to forget that English is not the, yes, probably a large part of the country speaks English, but it's not the primary language for everyone.
Yeah.
There's some people who really don't understand. I know a guy who teaches particularly in Afrikaans.
Yeah.
Period. Just Afrikaans. And he's catering for who? For people whose first language is Afrikaans.
Yes.
So when you have so many languages in the country, I think it's what you're doing is good. It's amazing because, you're catering to people who are neglected. Because if something's not your, it's like right now me going to learn something in Afrikaans.
You can't really understand it. You can't really understand it because when it's your language, it's very easy. Because a lot of people I can see, if I explain the candlestick also, like trying to explain the candlestick, it's like, oh,
so you explain it in
Zulu now, so they understand.
Okay, we'll put subtitles for you guys. What's a candlestick in Zulu?
You can't laugh.
No, but for real, like, how do you I just want to hear. You can.
So for me, when it's come to candlestick, candlestick it's kandlen. So because the way they portrayed it is more like a candle. So that's why it's a candle and this Zulu but candle. So but it's not like I explain like it's a candle as the candle, you have to understand it's a candlestick for Forex. So a candlestick linale ndule la phezulu nale board lelana. So I board me green chaza ukuthi me red chaza ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi. Yabo. So that means if the candlestick is green, it means the market is going up at that time. Even if the market the candlestick is green is red, I mean it's going down at that time, but you can also customize it. So I kind of explain like that, I have to go deep even when it's come to support. Support if it's a flow. So njobuka flow na iyona ekubambile ukuthi ungayiphansi ungawo i-resistance i-roof. So ukuze uye-roof kumele udlule kwi-resistance yabo, ukuze uphumele phezulu kumele udlule la kwi-roof. So it's more like that. So they kind of, in terms of same thing, is like someone who's asking me, what are you actually doing in Forex? It's more like I'm going to tell you, no, Forex is more like you going to a tax shop to buy a certain project or to buy a product. So there's always going to be a buyer. There must be a buyer in order for it to be a seller. There must be a seller for a buyer. So it's more like that. So people, all right, but us, we don't trade that way.
Yeah.
Now we trade in the fluctuation of the price on the market.
Yeah.
So it's more like that.
Yeah. Gee, that is beautiful, you know. And I think I commend you, honestly, for the work that you're doing and choosing to walk this path and catering for our people, you know, really.
Yeah, because for me, what I really saw when it's come to people teaching how to trade, they're more like teaching you how to analyze, but they don't teach you how to make money through dot analysis. You know, because I can teach you how to drive, but I also need to teach you how to, let's say you stuck, now you don't know what's happening with the car. You know, you have to understand what is happening on the car in order for you to get back to your destination, you know. So a lot of people, so when it's come to, it's easy how to analyze the charts, but to trade the direction is hard. So we have to focus on teaching people how to trade the direction of the market. Because a lot of people, they know where the market is going, but they can't go with the market.
Why is that?
It's because people, they tend to focus on more on teaching people how to analyze. Yeah. Psychology, guys, is also important.
Break it down a little bit more. I'm following you. I'm not quite there yet.
So let me just give you an example. Let's say you give someone a chart and then they analyze. They're gonna tell you, okay, this market has to go to this support. So when it gets to this support, it's gonna buy all the way to the upside. He got the direction right. So now, when the market gets to the support, you're gonna buy, right? Maybe he's going to wait for some certain confirmation in order for him to buy. But there's always a key point when it's come to markets. Like, you have to understand, in order for market to go up, there's always going to be a manipulation in terms of the market has to tell you. As much as I'm saying this market has to go up, but if the market is not telling me that it's going up, why should I buy? You know, so it's more like that. So it's not like because I'm doing this analysis, the market will go that way. It's just an analysis, you know, because you have to follow the market at the end of the day. And when it's come to structures, guys, structures are very important. Because people, they tend to like, they slide when it's come to candlestick, because candlestick is how we read price. And candlestick are the ones who's telling you if the market is gonna go up or down. The rejection you're gonna get from candlesticks. Whatever you can even trade with candlestick only without plotting anything. By understanding how candlestick is powerful. Candlestick are very powerful when it's come to the charts.
And I think we tend to just look down on them and we've kind of forgotten. Because I think a lot of us, when you got into the industry and you got into trading, candlesticks are like, I need to know about candlestick formations, you know, and all that. And we studied all of those, and then at some point, you know, you feel like it's not working, and then you start introducing other things into trading.
Because when it's come to trading, everything is working. It doesn't matter what you are using. Everything is working. It's just that you have to stick to your own strategy only. Because same thing as people trading SMC, ICT, or poor price action. When it's come to SMC, ICT, that is poor price action. Poor price action. If you are on the chart, if you are trading candlestick, that's poor price action. You have to understand that. So no one is trading SMC or ICT. We're all trading poor price action. That's the thing. It's just that because, let's say now, because I understand like poor price action, so now I can start changing names, come up with my own strategy. But when you like know what is happening on in the chart, you can see all these strategies are working the same way. Yes. They're all working in the same way.
That's true. That is so true. So currently what's your day-to-day routine looking like?
Me, wake up 10 o'clock.
You wake up at 10.
Because I'm lazy, guys. I'm very lazy, guys. When it comes to wake up, I'm lazy because I sleep late.
Okay, makes sense.
Because I sleep late and I wake up by 10, sometimes 8, but I wake up by 10 because I don't even, when it's come to trading, I don't trade the fluctuation of the price. I always wait for the market to cool down, you know, in order for me to trade in the right way.
Okay.
Because when you are trading a fluctuation, if the market doesn't go to your direction, you're just out in a second, you know.
Interesting. So you wait for the volatility to die
cool
down.
Yeah, to cool down. So and trade the right direction.
Okay.
Yeah, because when there's fluctuation, that's when there's a lot of manipulation. So I have to understand where does the market want to go.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for me, wake up by 10, shower, eat, send signals. Because for me, when it comes to signals, I don't send signals every day. They know 3 to 4 signals a week, sometimes 2, sometimes 1, sometimes no signal. Because for me, when it comes to signal, it's more like my people, the one that they took my course, because I just want them to use it as a confirmation. You know, what made me want to buy this certain pair, you know, in order for them to understand that. Not in terms of them trying to make a million with signals. It's impossible. It's very impossible.
But I think a lot of people don't understand that part. They don't get that.
Yeah, I think you have to be transparent with your clients.
Yeah.
You have to be transparent. Tell them. Because people, they're going to come with hype. Jackster.
Jackster's got the juice. Jackster in the Jackster petty signal.
They're always like that. They're going bro, if I join your signals, I'm going to start be profitable. I was like, no, bro. It's not like that. You know, it's not like that. But you can use my signal in terms of confirmation. I'm not saying my signal doesn't go to direction. They go. They make money in terms of me providing signals.
Yeah.
But it's not like something that you can use in order for you to... It's not sustainable. Yeah, it's not sustainable.
Yeah. You know, I don't know if you saw, I recently did an interview with Rolio Jack. So I just want, as a signal provider, you yourself as a signal provider, do you provide feedback of your signals to your clients by the end of the week?
I don't provide feedbacks. The only thing that it's more like, but I only provide signal during the day. So let's say we take a signal today. So if you're gonna lose, I'm just gonna explain what happens.
Okay.
So
yeah, no, but I'm just asking. Okay, but I guess that's some sort of feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah, because obviously I think a lot of people, they sell, especially there's a group of people that just sell signals as 99%.
Guys, this 100%, 99% signal is not working.
Yeah.
There's no such. There's no such. How can you be selling 100% signals but you're not making cash? That's the thing. So you mustn't be lying to clients, you know, in terms of I think a lot of traders, they're more like they want clients. Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
They want clients.
Yeah.
Yes. So they don't want to get better on the charts in terms of them providing the right information for people. You know, they're more like focusing to get clients.
Yeah.
As long as you join the group, they're okay. They don't care what happens after. Because when it comes to signal, you have to understand. Because people are struggling, bro. A lot.
Yeah.
You know, because if they join your group, they have this mindset of maybe one day something might happen to me. So just imagine having that burden. Understanding okay, this guy just joined me because he trusts me.
Yeah.
Because he trusts me. Because you have to be grateful for that.
And so many people take that for granted, you know.
Too
you don't
much.
realize that when somebody joins a signal group, it's a trust. And so much trust is being broken.
Yeah. You have to be transparent all the time, guys. Be real, guys.
Yeah, but how can they be real when the stuff is fake?
That's the thing. Same thing I was saying, you can't be providing people signals on a 1 minute time frame. So for me, take notes, guys. So for me, I always make sure I use bigger time frames. Yeah, because when it comes to bigger time frames, it's a lot of movement. So if, let's say you are full margin trading, so if you're gonna take 1K to 10K as a mentor, just imagine me with my 0.01. Maybe I made 100 trend, and you say we're winning, we're changing lives. There's no such.
Mm.
You can't be saying you're changing lives because someone just made 100 Rand, you made 10K. It's not about that.
What is it about, though?
We have to educate.
Mm.
We have to educate people in terms of make people understand trading is real.
Mm.
Like make people do it it's their own in terms of they have to learn how to trade.
Mm.
Me, I always advise my students, learn how to trade. Learn as much as I'm telling you that support and this, but you also have to go to the charts and see by yourself because sometimes experience is very important because I can tell you how things works, but when you get to the charts, you also have to experience that thing working, you know. And hey, guys are playing because I have a lot of mentors. I think 99% causes for mentors because a lot of my students, they come from mentors. They come from mentors. And you can't be outside every day if you're a mentor, guys. It's hectic. I'm telling you, it's very hectic.
Yeah, I was about to go there. I was about to ask. Okay, so obviously you've got like a plus 500 student clients, yes, and that is a lot. Can I ask something? Was your service a lifetime service?
Yeah, for me, it's more not like a lifetime
You didn't
service.
sell it as a lifetime.
No, 2 years you're done.
2 years you're done.
Yes.
Okay, so you sold your course as a 2-year course. I like you, Jack. I like you. I'm liking you even more now. No, because there's some things I don't understand in life, and you're making sense of a lot of things I don't understand in life. Yeah. Okay, so you sell your course. Obviously, for that 2-year period, you provide support for the people in your group.
Yes.
And it's time consuming.
Guys, because just imagine people asking questions. 500 people asking questions.
Yeah.
In a day. You have to make sure those people are answered. You know, you have to make sure.
Yeah.
Because they need answers. It's not like they're asking the same question. We have to make sure. Me, guys, I even call my clients. Ask them what is happening. I didn't see you in a class. You know, we didn't pitch out in a class. Because there's a list I do when we do classes, like online classes. So if you didn't if you didn't join the class on that day, you're gonna drop your name. So I'm just gonna go to your side and ask you what happens. Because I even have, because here's the tricky thing when it's come to like teaching a lot of people. They're not gonna understand. Not everyone will understand. So let's say today we're speaking about candlestick. Nobody will understand candlestick. So what are you doing as a mentor in order for you to make sure everyone is understanding? So for me, I also have, they can also book like a class, like a one-on-one class, like online. So they can also book online classes with me, like a one-on-one. So in order for me to explain it better for them. So it's more like that.
Where do you get the time?
I'm always inside. That's the thing. I'm not rushing everything. I'm always inside. I don't go out. Don't smoke. I don't drink. So I'm always indoors.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah.
Trying to better myself every day.
Yeah.
So it's more like that.
Yeah, nah, I get you. Gee, Jack. Wow. Yeah, let's get to let's get to the trading. Would you consider yourself an aggressive trader?
Not really. Because when it's come to, for me as a being aggressive trader, there's an account that I use where I trade aggressively.
Okay.
Yeah. And there's another account where I take risks into place. Yeah, it's more like that. Because when it's come to like full match in my trade, maybe once a month.
Yeah, because I know we're having discussion earlier on. I'm going to put you on the spot with this one, where it's people providing courses and trying to teach something that they don't actually do on the charts.
Yeah. Because a lot of us, me included, guys. That's why I'm saying us.
Yeah.
Sometimes, not like sometimes, most of the times, we say things but we don't do. Say, if you take one, if you hit your stop loss, it's chai for the day. You have to stay away from the market. Then you're gonna see tomorrow, but you go again. So they say you have to do what you preach. So it's more like that. On my real account, the one that is my bigger account, that's when I do everything proper. On my full margin side, that's when I risk. Not always, and I'm not showing people that side. Because, guys, for me, I don't post. I don't post when it comes to trading. I don't post. Only my Signal group. I don't post on my WhatsApp, on my Instagram or TikTok. I only show you that I got a knowledge a lot, and I'll show you that I have a skill in order for you to become a better trader. Yeah.
So what you're saying is that do as I say, not as I do.
Yeah, it's more like it's more like that.
But here's the thing. One thing I can commend you for is that you're taking care of the people that have kind of given you their monies.
Yes, bro, you have to. You have to appreciate that.
Yeah.
Appreciation for that is very important. It's very important.
Yeah.
Because for me, because sometimes I get people they say I have 1K for now, but I'm still gonna look for 1.5. Can you please bear some months for me? I was like, it's fine. And some people, they send it to me to keep it on my side. I'm just gonna wait for them. And sometimes don't scam people, guys. Don't scam people, guys.
Yeah.
Don't scam people, guys. I think for being honest also, I'm very honest.
Okay.
I'm very honest. They know. My student knows.
Yeah, we know as well. You've been very honest today.
Yeah, when you hit your stop loss, bro, it's a stop loss. I'm not gonna say anything because even when it's come to I think the only thing that I'm struggling with is when it's come to brokers. Because when it's come to Signal Group, you can use your own broker. I'm not gonna say you have to sign up to my broker in order for you to get my Signal. You can use your own broker, but I will always tell you sometimes your stop loss can be hit and mine is still running. That's the only thing that is like not nice for now. But yeah.
No. What has been the biggest loss that you have taken? And like I always tell people, it doesn't have to be the biggest amount, it's just your biggest loss.
For me, I think was my 1K. At that 1K, I had to do a lot of things.
Which 1K?
Because it's when it was like more like getting to becoming a profitable trader.
Okay.
Yeah. So I lost that 1K because I wanted to go through my license, So I had 5K. Now I have to deposit this 1K, maybe make it 2K, make it 2K. Then after it, I uploaded 1K. After I doubled it at 1K to 2K. I was floating 1K, right? Then when I came back, no stop loss. No stop loss. So a lot of things I learned the hard way.
Yeah.
You gotta put your stop loss. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
And what has been, but already I think we've already touched on the craziest trade.
Yeah, that's
which
1K,
is
200K.
Yeah, 200K. Yeah, that in 1 week.
That was crazy. That was crazy.
I think those are the very unique moments. I think in life, the rare moments.
Yes.
Because I was talking to someone about this. I was like, there's unicorns in the game. And I think a lot of people need to understand something is that not everyone is going to be a unicorn.
Yeah. But same thing as like people want you to be a mentor. You don't have to want to be a mentor. People choose you to be a mentor.
Yeah, that is quite true. That is quite true.
Yeah.
And I guess sometimes you just kind of respond to the calling of like you're being called for this, because it's not for everyone. Not everyone's meant to be a mentor. Let's be honest.
Yeah, it's not for everyone.
Yeah, not for everyone.
Same thing, like I think I think traders now, I think traders are workers now.
Yeah.
They're working for clients.
Yeah, no, that's true.
Yeah.
Well,
They're not traders anymore. They're working for clients.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more like this because they tend to do too much in order for them to draw clients
Yeah.
instead of them showing people they have something in order for someone to learn from them. Yeah. Because for me, I respect someone who go on the internet, like speak about something, explain something. So I can't just come and buy your calls, but I never see you in your office, in your trade. I don't even know your trading office, you know, but I'm buying your calls. How? You know, I think people also scamming themselves. Yeah, people are also scamming themselves. Sometimes we mustn't blame mentors.
Yeah, no, that's
You
true.
mustn't blame mentors.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Because same thing as I had another incident with another guy. So because people when students come or clients, they're gonna speak bad about mentors. For me, it's like, nah, guys, you don't have to speak bad. Sometimes I'm gonna teach you something. If you don't understand it, it's not my issue. That means the way I'm teaching, you don't understand. That means maybe you're gonna find another strategy or someone is gonna teach you better than I teach you. So it's more like that. So people, they're gonna be like, this guy scam me. Nah. But as long as the guy gave you the cause, you are sorted.
Yeah, no, but also over promising and under delivering.
That's the thing.
That also needs to stop as well.
That's
People
the
need
thing.
to, if you promise something, deliver what you promised on.
Yeah, guys, for me, it's more like there's a lot of things that we need to change when it's come to trading. So there's a lot of things we need to change, I mean. Like, in order for us to see, because SA, trading in SA is very huge.
Yeah, no,
It's
massive.
very huge,
It's
bro.
massive.
Because there's a guy from UK, he was asking me about mentors from this side. You know, just a random guy from UK.
Yeah.
He's asking about mentors on this side. They're even buying courses from this side. Just imagine, SA.
Yeah.
So that thing makes us huge.
Yeah.
You know, that's why like a lot of brokers are also coming on that side. Yeah. And we need to take this thing seriously.
No, we really do.
We need to take it seriously.
No, that's true.
Because it's real. Because I also think us as mentors or everyone who's trading, we also have to educate the upcoming traders or anyone who want to be on the industry in terms of what must we do in order for you to see this person is not scamming me. Like, do those video calls. Because you have to ask for video call in order for you to pay someone. Before you paying someone, make sure you video call them, guys. Yeah.
100%.
Yeah. So it's more like that. It's more like that.
Yeah.
And last thing, guys.
Yes.
I think if you can take out account management, as much as I'm providing signals, but if you can take out signals, a lot of people will be making money on charts.
Oh, to take out signals is like removing.
Stop.
Yeah.
Nobody's offering signals. Nobody's offering account management. I'm telling you, a lot of people will be making money. A lot.
Now you're preaching. Now you're preaching.
Yeah, but it's because people tend to stay on those signal group. You can't be on a free signal group using your funded account. You know, you can't be risking on the free group, you know, because if you lose, you lose.
And who must take responsibility when things like that happen?
That's why I'm saying mentors need to also push themselves in terms of, guys, let's focus on the chart. Let's make money on the chart. Let's not rely on clients.
But truth is, making money on the charts is not that easy.
Yes.
It's not easy.
Yes.
And you know, there's a statement there I always hear where people are like, this is Forex is how does it go? The hardest way to make easy money.
Yes.
But you know, I think people kind of forget that first part.
They do.
Everyone hears easy money. And
money,
like,
yeah.
yo. But it's like, did you not hear properly? The hardest.
The hardest. Yeah. People, like, I don't think people, they want easy things. You
Yeah.
know, they more like focus on easy things. I think that's why sickness came, account management came. It's because people want easy money.
And that's why the people continue to make great profits
Yes.
from signals, from that, because people are lazy, people are, they
Yes.
don't want to put in the work.
You can't be loving lifestyle, but you don't want to put the work. You have to put the work in order for you to live that lifestyle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's true.
Because same thing is, let's say you ask me, how long did it take you to be profitable? You know, and so, like a lot of questions that I get from clients, they always ask, how long is gonna take me to become a profitable trader? For me, I don't know, but it's gonna take you time. So it's more like that. So other people, they say 2 months, after 2 months you're gonna be profitable. It's not like that, guys.
Yeah, not at all.
It's not like that. And you can't be providing signals after 2 months or 6 months or 1 year of trading. Nah.
Yeah.
It's a no for me. It's a no for me.
Nah, 100%. No, Jack, thank you so much. I really, really, really enjoyed that. This conversation right here. Yo, I needed this. It was fun. It was just a fun conversation. And also,
Sure.
like, thanks for your transparency and just honesty about everything. And then, yeah, no, I'm wishing you all the best. Guys, if you're trying to reach out to TikTok, if nifuna Jack, I'll say it in Zulu. If nifuna Jack anfundise Forex yezulu. Follow the link below. Now we'll leave his contact details down below. And links to his social media pages as well down below. Thank you so much, Jack.
Thank you. Lastly,
Yes,
guys, we also have to appreciate you, Nqobile, and the guys, obviously.
yeah,
Guys, because in this platform we learn a lot. You know, we learned a lot. There's things we were supposed to do, but we saw on the platform we didn't go that route. So it's more like that. So if us as traders trying to push this platform is going to help a lot of people.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
appreciate it so much.
Road to 100K, guys.
Road to 100K, that's it. No, I appreciate it so much, Jack. I appreciate it so much.
Yeah.
And yeah, thanks. And yeah, guys, can I tell you guys something? The reason why Jack's sitting here is because Jack, you know what the issue is, Jack?
Yeah.
People don't wanna. They don't wanna ask.
You must ask.
And you remember,
guys.
I don't know. You saw on the one episode we said we come into Durban and you're here. You were like, hey guys, even me, I'm in Durban.
I'm like, guys, put me on,
Yeah,
guys.
no, we're always more than happy to put people on, honestly, who deserve to be on the platform. Yeah, no, but thank you so much, Jack. I'm wishing you just blessings on your journey moving forward and continue to remain who you are. And even when things get...
Yeah, the sauce, bro, mustn't get to you.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. No, thank you so much, Jack.
Thank you so much, bro.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is another installment of Market Masters with myself, Nqobile Tembane. And a big shout out to Octa for bringing us out here to Durban. I will see you guys on the next episode, and we are out.